From there, we're here, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna push on to your left foot off of your right foot. And it's almost as if there was a velvet wall right behind us, and you wanted to rub your hands and your feet on that velvet. You want to feel that pleasant texture, that soft, supple energy that velvet gives me. From there, we do 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna take your right arm up to the top corner up here, like you're presenting some sort of prize. And then you fall on to your left. Have you been feeling flightless? No need to worry. You can always come and dance and fly with me here at danceplug.com.